So here's the reason that my power has been out for about 7 hours now. There's the power line. There's the big tree. This happened just right in front of our house. This is still pretty much our front yard, right in the road. It's a wonderful, wonderful storm. So this fell about 4:30 this morning. And it's actually about, well, it's actually 1 o'clock, so it's been out for 8 or 9 hours now. And the tree is still laying here. Some people in Knoxville have been without power for 4 days now. And there's no idea when they're going to get it back on. So that's the interesting thing today. I'm going to go find somewhere that's got power and food and air conditioning, because it's hot too. And hopefully we won't have to wait forever for it to come back on. Days. Luckily my father-in-law has a generator we might be able to use to keep the freezer and the refrigerator going. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe out there.